Hello, today we're going to be exploring the Bukit Gasing Nature Trail.
Have you noticed we are on the yellow trail?
Yes.
Jesus, did you hear the bass of that fly?
Yes.
It's like a deep rumble, it was like a Harley Davidson of a fly. Watch where you're walking, Chris.
Right, it's starting to get quite unpleasant now.
There's a bit of cobweb on me. Keep going. Go quick. I'm very itchy now. And this horrible pig. I wish he'd not dragged me here. He didn't drag, you just insisted I came and I obeyed.
Well, you didn't said I really wish you were coming, so I did, yeah?
Chris? See?
Psst.
We are back at the hotel now. We did not hike too much further because as we entered the park, a local told us do not venture off too far, don't go too much uphill because you can easily get lost. Also, the trails, they were in a pretty bad shape, so you just have to be aware of that. The best thing to do is to go there and hike with a tour guide who knows where to go. Also, you should make sure you have enough water with you and insect repellent. And the best thing to do is to buy this insect repellent here in Malaysia because these are quite vicious ones. We had a lot of bites even though we were wearing some insect repellent that we bought somewhere else before. The best way to get there is by taxi, Grab or Uber. So that's the best way to get there. We saw some beautiful butterflies there. It is quite nice to go into the rainforest, but overall just be prepared and best go there with a tour guide.